Hello, my dear friends. You're amazing. Whatever you're doing, wherever you are, you know that I love you. God, Francie. And what I would like to say to all of you, I'm actually preparing a hell on earth. Like this fire here. And I'm preparing hell on earth for some very influential people. At least they think that they are very influential and they're full of themselves, but they don't have any integrity at all. I'm not sure if you know what integrity means, but for sure, if you don't know, check it, because this is the only thing which can always be in every god around the world. So integrity is that you respect your own word and that you respect yourself. And I will certainly tell you more about integrity. But you should know that without integrity, the life will never work. It's just impossible. So for an example, if your mother push you to the limits that you become a manager or general manager or president or whatever, or father, doesn't matter who, mother or father, push you to that limits that your being is out of the way, so you're just living a life full of shit, let's say like that. And the life where the more important is mother or any friends or even like your son or whatever, if that is more important than you are, then you're for sure out of integrity. And certainly if you steal things, you know, especially if you're in a, let's say, highly paid positions or, you know, highly responsible positions, you should know that God is seeing everything, and He is really knowing everything about your bullshit stories about life and certainly about stealing. So I actually start with some politics in Slovenia, and soon I will start with some politics around Europe and probably around the world. I mean, the world will be a next step, not probably, but for sure. And whoever is hiding his life of out of integrity life, he will fall like a dominoes. You should know that. If you don't understand what I wanted to say, it's a good movie about that. It's we made it with some diplomats of, doesn't matter which education, but anyway, you can have a look on the internet. It's called V for Vendetta. So you will know more about that. And probably you've seen already a movie, Matrix, where you can see what is possible if you have integrity, or actually if you are in integrity. It's a better word for that. And whoever is out of integrity is falling like a dominoes around me now already. And I will certainly tell you more about next week, because I would like to tell you more about people who doesn't have integrity. So, because most of people doesn't have integrity, maybe 98 or 99% of population, and they just live life of bullshits and reasons, and doesn't matter. They don't even know who they are, because everyone is God when actually you start living God. So God is love or truth. So you understand what I'm telling you about. But if you don't, you're certainly more than welcome to find more on the internet about the integrity, or maybe even visit Landmark Education or Landmark Forum and let's say curriculum for life. So if you will do that, not that you will just have an integrity, you will learn how to restore all your parts of life which never work. And just remember that after you will finish that education, the things which historically has never moved will start moving around you. So I love you, have a great time, and if you have any questions, you're always welcome. And I might even, no, I will not. If you'd like to know more about landmark education, find it on the internet. I'm not really interested to give you a link and make it everything easy for you. So, because life is not easy and you need to be responsible for it. I love you all. God Franzi.